Good morning. My name is Jan Kunert. Welcome to Virtual VBS. Today we have on hand 3 young ladies, and they are going to help us today demonstrate the arts and the crafts and the snacks that we are going to do for day 2, which is being close to God in nature and appreciating God's nature. And on my right here is River Markham, and in the middle here is Hollis, and over here is Natalie. All right, so being close to God in nature is our theme today. We are appreciating, and we have God's word that I'm going to share with you. Genesis chapter 1, verse 31. And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening and there was morning, the 6th day. And what we're going to show you, I'm going to focus in again on this banner, again showing kind of God's creation. There's all sorts of things here, and you will see our projects today are all centered around what God has made and what he's made available to us in plants and in things that come from plants. Our first activity I'm going to show you, ladies are going to be spelling their name using all sorts of things from outside that they have gone and found. And just pull that up. They're little metal, hinges. Oh, there's one more down there. So I'm going to have you ladies choose which color. This is going to go on in your frame, so just choose a color. Yep. And what you're going to do is put the back on the paper and cut around it so it fits. I would suggest, I'm going to give you a pencil, guys. I'm going to have you write your name first. Yep, just turn it over, turn it upside down. Be careful.
Pine cone.
That's okay, it's all right. It should be just fine. Okay, do you want to just hold them up so they can see it? Okay, so they can see your name, how it's spelled. So we have River, Nat, and Hollis. Yeah, cool. Very nice, ladies, really very nice.